In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive, shared folders on a computer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place files into a shared folder so the right people can see them, and you'll avoid the common hiccups that slow people down. First, open your preferred web browser and go to https://drive.google.com. Any modern browser works, and using an up-to-date version helps prevent upload issues. If you're not already signed in, Google will prompt you to log in. Sign in with your Google account to access your Drive. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that as usual before continuing. Once you're in Google Drive, it's time to locate the shared folder. On the left side of the screen, click Shared with Me. This section lists folders and files others have shared with you. If you were given a direct link to a specific shared folder, you can click that link instead, and it will open the folder right away. When you see the shared folder you need, double-click it to open and view its contents. Inside, you should see the folder's name at the top and any existing files or subfolders. Now, look to the top left corner and click the New button, which has a plus icon. If you don't see this button or it's grayed out, you might not have permission to add files to this folder. In that case, you'll need to ask the folder owner for contributor or editor access before proceeding. From the menu that appears, choose File Upload if you're adding individual files, or choose Folder Upload if you want to keep a folder's structure intact. Selecting Folder Upload is helpful when you have multiple subfolders or want everything to stay organized exactly as it is on your computer. A file picker window will open. Navigate to the location on your computer where your files or folder are stored. You can select one item or hold Ctrl or Command to select multiple files at once. When you're ready, click Open. The upload will begin immediately. You'll see a progress indicator in the lower right corner of Google Drive showing each file's status. Keep the Browser tab open until everything finishes. Larger files and slower connections may take longer, so be patient and let the upload complete. Once done, your files will appear in the shared folder and are automatically visible to everyone who has access to that folder. There's nothing else you need to send or share if the folder permissions are already set. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.